Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so we had a falling channel going something like this, and we actually found support right here, and we started forming a triangle pattern, something like that. And I talked about in my last video how I was waiting for a break to the upside or to the downside, and it actually looks like we're breaking to the downside right now, unless it's a fake out. But for right now, it kind of looks like we're going to the downside. So what I'm doing is I'm targeting from the bottom to the top of this triangle, drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately somewhere around .182, .186, somewhere around there. So I have my limit order set at .51, .19, and .182. .182 is from that triangle pattern, and then if you look back on the previous supports, we had support right here at about .219, and then we had some support at .251, somewhere like right here and like right here and kind of right here too. And basically just in general in this area we had pretty much good support. So that's where I'm getting my limit orders from. And so what I'm doing is placing small orders and dollar cost averaging on the way down. So if we do get a bounce, I will be in a good position. But I'm also accumulating, and I'm definitely not putting in all my money at one place, because technically we are in a downtrend and it can fall down further. So until we break this trend line right here, we are not bullish, aka it can go down further. Alright, let's take a look at Doge to Bitcoin. So we haven't really gotten a clean break on this chart really yet either. It looks like we're testing to the downside. We broke out of this trend line that I was telling you about in my last video, and we started getting a little right up, but now it looks like we're getting rejected a little bit. So I don't think we've still really gotten a clear break to the downside or a clear path. I mean, we are still holding support, so that is not going to the downside yet, but it looks like we are testing it. So it's possible that we do go down, which will be another bearish signal for Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin. The other thing I wanted to show you is total crypto market cap. So I've been looking at this chart a lot, and we basically have been coming down. The whole crypto market cap has been coming down. And so I was watching this triangle pattern right here. It's kind of like a flag pattern, actually, something like that. So what I did is I got from the bottom and the top of that flagpole, something like that. The top is right there and the bottom is right there, and I drug that to the breakout, something like that. You could see that big red candle as a breakout. That's what I was kind of going off of. And so right now I'm looking at a target of around 1.26 trillion, somewhere around there. And what I'm wondering is if the price is just going to come down and then wick down and then get a price jump back up, or if we're going to come down here and maybe go sideways and then go another leg down. I'm not sure what's going on with the market right now, guys. In general, like I was saying with Dogecoin, we are in a downtrend. So be very careful. If you're not long term, you might want to be sitting these ones out until we break this trend line right here, because it's possible that when you buy it's gonna go down, but at the same time, so I guess we're forming a trend line something like this too. I was gonna say that we probably have to wait to be bullish to break this trend line, but it's possible we break this trend line and get like a little bounce up and maybe catch some resistance again on this trend line, on this next trend line right here. But we'll have to wait and see. But I am kind of looking at this trend line right here now that I kind of see it. I just saw that just now. So I guess on this chart, what I'm waiting for is, are we going to hold support in this purple box again? Because we got wicks down right here, right here, right here, right here, and we're holding some support right here for right now. So I'm kind of curious if this is going to keep holding support, or if we're going to break down and maybe wick down to right here and then pop back up, or I don't know what's going to happen. But I am kind of targeting right here for right now. I have a feeling that the price is going to come down right here, which means that in general I'm kind of bearish in crypto right now, but I am dollar cost averaging in general, or I'm trying to accumulate in general. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys want to chat it up, go check out my stream. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.